Happy happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. Today I'm going to pre-batch a spiked lemonade bar for a party I'm throwing on the 4th of July. Yep, that's really good. This year's Independence Day is going to be pretty special in our house. My wife is active duty military, and when she was stationed overseas, we had to spend about a year and a half apart. The original plan was we'd see each other every few months or so, but then the Rona happened, and well, we didn't see each other every few months or so. The good news is several months ago she came home and we get to be together again. The less good news is with all the social distancing restrictions, we really didn't get to celebrate with our friends. It's a sad story, but you can make me a little bit happier by flicking the like and subscribe button. But now we're vaccinated and we can have the party we've been planning for so long.
We're good streaking! Yes!
We're gonna have food, music, fireworks, and of course, I'm the basement bartender, so you better believe we're gonna be having some drinks. But that's just it. I'm the basement bartender. My friends all expect some crazy fun drink, and well, I don't wanna be stuck behind the bar all day. I wanna be having fun. So I'm gonna make my life a little bit easier by setting up a lemonade bar. It's fun, it's engaging, it's different, and I don't have to be the one standing behind the bar making sure all of my guests' thirsts are quenched. So come on, let's get this thing started.
Basement Bartender.
A good cocktail balances a base spirit, sugar, acid, and water. Sound familiar? Lemonade is sugar, acid, and water. I guess typically it doesn't have booze in it, but we can fix that. So all of my friends like different things. Some like whiskey, some like gin, some like vodka, and some choose not to drink at all. Lemonade is perfect. I can set up a few bottles of different spirits, set up a lemonade concentrate, and some garnish, and they can have at it. You want gin? No problem. Whiskey? You got it. Vodka? Coming right up. Nothing at all? More for me. So to make this concentrate, let's grab a bag of lemons and see how much juice we get. Juice these by hand or let a juicer do the work for you. Roll the lemons to prepare for juicing. Rolling will just help loosen everything up and maximize the juice that we can extract. Every batch will be a little bit different, but today, 12 lemons gave me about 28 ounces of lemon juice. Now to that, we're gonna add equal parts of a honey syrup. You can use whatever type of syrup you like, but I love honey and lemon. So I'll leave a link in the description as well as at the end of this video to my cocktail elements on how to make honey syrup. And that's it. Bottle this up and our concentrate is done. Depending on your taste, maybe cut down on the honey syrup, add a little bit more, or have the syrup out on the counter so your friends can adjust in case their tastes are a little bit different than yours. This will keep in the refrigerator for about a week, but if you want to keep it a little longer than that, put it in some ice cube trays and store in the freezer. And then just the day before your party, let it thaw out, you're good as golden. Now when the party starts, we've just got to set up our bottle of concentrate, some bottle of spirits, some ice, some garnish, some sparkling water, and we're great. Now if you don't want your friends to know exactly what spirits you're sharing with them, go ahead and pour some into an unlabeled bottle. Friends don't need to know how much you spent on alcohol. As far as they're concerned, this is a $1,000 bottle of scotch. I mean, it's not, but it could be. Now take your favorite party cup. You know the one. Red Solo cup. Add some ice, 2 ounces of lemonade concentrate, 2 ounces of your spirit of choice, and top with sparkling water. Cut up some lemon wedges, maybe strawberries, or have some nice fresh lavender, and just let your friends have at it for garnish. And there we have it. A delicious, freshly squeezed spiked lemonade that you made in advance so you can actually hang out with your friends and enjoy it. Cheers. I love lemonade so much. It's tart, it's sweet, it's bright, it's cold, it's refreshing, and I can enjoy this all day long with my friends without having to be behind the bar making sure that they're all refreshed. I hope you enjoyed this one. Happy Independence Day or whatever you're celebrating. Please drink responsibly, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel by flicking the like and subscribe button. I've made it easy for you. The subscribe button is right above my head. Just go and flick it. Check out some of my other videos. They're right over here. The top one is one that YouTube thinks you'll like. The bottom one is one that I think you'll like. Ring the bell or check me out on social media to get all the updates about what's going on. You know, you could share this video on social media too. That would be cool.